A Des Moines school is losing its football program again. The Des Moines School District says that due to lack of players, Hoover High School will cancel its upcoming season, and players are welcome to join the Roosevelt team. The principal sent an email to families to notify them of the change. The district says the decision is due to shifting interests of students. You might remember a similar situation happened back in 2022 when the school canceled the season because of lack of participation and the head coach leaving. And enough players were not recruited and there was no coach.